Hey everybody, thank you for joining me today while we tackle the cream soda recipe from the Miniverse Hello Kitty Series 1 kits. Stick around, near the end of the video we'll be doing our own remix recipe. Enjoy! And I got the exact same one as I just did. Oh wait, no I didn't. Looks like we got a drink because I see a little straw there. I really wanted the ramen bowl, but... Okay, it looks like this one. So we got a single straw with that kitty head on it. Cream soda. They're little kitty heads. Coaster. Okay, that's better. These are a little bit closer now. Happy Sun Creamery. Award-winning flavors. And a pink one. Okay, that's for the ball. That's a strawberry. Little spoon. I have my own tweezers. So I have a tweezer graveyard building up right now. This is the second bag. We are going to add a few of our own ingredients today. So I pulled out the shredded coconut, the pink one, and then I also pulled out the candy heart sprinkles from the Valentine series, also the mini marshmallows from the new spring series. Let's see what we get up to. So first we're going to add some resin in before we add our ice cube. I find if I add the ice cubes in after, it just creates a lot of like air bubbles. Wanted to show you a better angle. If we act fast, we could probably cure it like that, dripping down the side. That being said, let's get some ice cubes in. Okay, we are cured. We're gonna want to add this straw before it's too late. Not gonna lie, I already forgot. We could just trim it down a little bit then. I'm just gonna take a little bit off the bottom. Actually, I have an idea. I'm just gonna add the sprinkles first around the sides. Okay, let's add the straw in the second layer. Alright, that looks pretty good. Let's cure this. I'm going to season the rim with some of that pink coconut shred. I'm just going to put some resin on the outside of this cup. And then I also got a couple more ideas. You should put a Twizzler or two in there. Cool. It's a little thick. Let's continue. I was thinking inside the middle we'll add Twizzler. This is from the treat series, the Twizzler cake. Let's add some ice cubes. Let's add more of that light pink resin. And some of this. Next, we're gonna add ice cream. Since the resin doesn't cure underneath it, I'm just gonna adhere the ice cream with a dollop of glue. drizzle this all over. Look at this monstrosity. This is probably one of the worst remixes I've ever done. Okay, so we are going to do another remix using this little guy here. And this as an ice cream bowl. It's the bottom table leg. I'm just not happy with that. Let's do it. To fill in this bowl, I'm using foam clay. This is Crayola foam clay. So now I want to put these ice creams in. Just some spare ice creams I had from some kit. I'm gonna cut the sides off with my craft knife. Okay, we are back. Hopefully these fit in a little bit better. I hope you're still with me. Alright, now that we got that all cured up, we're just gonna undo everything we did. Just kidding. We're gonna rough this up to make it look a little more like the texture of ice cream. That's good enough. I think we should decorate it with a bunch of strawberries. I have a lot of strawberries. All kinds of strawberries. And maybe some of those marshmallows that I mentioned at the beginning of the video I totally forgot about. This time we're going to do more controlled drips. First things first, let's add some strawberry pieces. Let's just get these marshmallows on. Too late for this? I don't know if the mic is picking that up, but there's a coyote howling out back right now. Oh, now it's a whole pack. We're gonna make a big mess and add some of these red velvet crumbs. Should we add a little bit of coconut shred while we're at it? And for the final touch, let's put a cherry on top. And there we go, our custom-made little ice cream sundae bowl. If you like what you saw today and you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. I have a lot of different projects planned ahead here, like the Taco Bell series, Animal series, and Cafe 6 series. Thank you so much for joining me, and you all have a wonderful week. Bye!